Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're at the lake and we're going to be installing new lug nuts on the truck. So there's been some comments that black lug nuts might look really nice with the black wheel skins I have on my truck. So what I did was pick some up. So here's the truck with the standard chrome lug nuts and one lock nut on it. And while I was in Sarnia, I stopped in at Ackwood Autoparts and picked up 24 black wheel lugs. They're keyed, they came with a key. Basically they're all lock nuts and they're powder coated, so they should never rust. So I'm going to go ahead and install these, and I thought I'd show you all how I'm going to do it. Okay, before I get started, I'll show you the wheel lug up close. If I can focus, they're 14 times 1.5, and what you'll need is your socket on a breaker bar. I'm not going to use my impact gun for this. You'll need your key for your lock nut, and I have my torque wrench set to 150 pounds, and then obviously the key for the new lug nuts. So let's get started. So basically the idea of what I want to do is I'm going to do one at a time. I'm not going to jack it up, I'm not taking the wheels off, I'm not going to go crazy, so I'm going to take one, replace it, other one, replace it, and I'm going to do it in a crisscross pattern. I'll start with the locker. Got one off, then I take the new lug, turn it all the way on, finger tight. There we go, 150 pounds. That's one. Now that I got the one done, I'm going to do a crisscross pattern. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm going to torque it all down to 150 foot-pounds. Okay, so I got one wheel done. See, the front's still not done. I did it all with hand tools. I haven't brought out my impact gun. It's something you can easily do in your driveway, and you don't need to jack up the truck. You don't need to do anything overly special. Torque wrench, and you could even use the wrench that came with your truck to take off the factory wheel nuts. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of them, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I got them all installed. It took me less than half an hour to do it all with no impacts. Very easy. I think it looks great. Let me know in the comments what you think. Should I keep the black ones on, or should I be changing it back to the chrome? I'm loving the black. I think it looks amazing. So anyways, so anytime you take your wheel off or change or rotation or just change your lug nuts, always drive around for a day or two, and then it's always a great idea to go over all the lugs with the torque wrench one more time, just to be sure you're good to go. Like I said, I bought them at Ackwood Autoparts in Sarnia. My cousin Barry is the general manager there. So I'll link the address and number below. If you're in the neighborhood, go check them out. If you have a garage in the area, you definitely should check them out. Anyways, that's my video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
And comment. He is that notification bell to always be notified of every time that a new video comes out.